Okay, I got a new box. Because it's got a Canadian flag on it, I'm going to open here. I like this packaging. They do a great job of this. So this was 2 little items. Look at that. Huh. So this is pretty gentle but oak mossy kind of scent, and it's just sort of a general little thing I thought that I'd have to go along with Jicky, which I really like. And it's just a small bottle, and it was a tester, so it was cheap. So it came in the old bottle stuff. Now, this is the one that I don't know about. I've never smelled it. I bought it blind, took a risk. Yeah. Let's see. Right. You know, I don't know what to think about the packaging from these guys. The little baggie looks fancy, I guess. But I've never liked these bottles. Anyway, Aoud Cuir D'Arabie. So, Arabian leather and oud is what this is all about. Feels like it's empty, but it's not. Can't really smell it because it's never been sprayed. I'm going to do this, take a risk, and do it right on my hand. So, word on the street on this one is that it's a total beast, so I wanted to be a bit careful. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bit of the shine. So right off the bat, I smell like wood. Like a pledged wood cabinet. And it's going to leather very quickly. So this is supposed to be leather, oud, birch tar. I think that's about it. There's only supposed to be about 3 or 4 notes. And they say maybe rose in there or something that isn't listed. And there's maybe a little bit of a hint of something that's sort of floral, but okay, and leather. And the descriptions on this talk about the leather being like the hide of the beast, the animal itself kind of thing, and rotting buckets of stuff. Actually, it's animalic for sure, but this doesn't freak me out. I don't know why everybody's so it's a strong leather. That's what I was looking for. And if you know what oud is, then it's oudy, but it's not as... I've got far more funky, offensive ouds than this. Sort of Hindi ouds and that kind of stuff. This has that thing. There was another one actually that I did on this channel. The first time I smelled it, I couldn't quite tell what it was, and I couldn't make out specific scents from it, and I called it the smell of cardboard or glossy paper or something. And this has a bit of that, and I think it's just components of what they call leather and what they call oud, which is probably synthetic sort of oud. Anyway, so what can I tell you? This I wanted something that I could maybe mix into some otherwise pure essential oil blends with alcohol, so I could give it a bit of synthetic backbone and structure, because sometimes those essential oils are just missing something on the synthetic side to give it just a structure and a stability, maybe a bit of longevity too. I'm going to spray it again. Probably shouldn't spray the furniture, hey? Yeah. It's leathery, it's animalic. It's not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. It smells like, if you've ever like bought a like a handmade Mexican suitcase leather kind of like bag. Yeah, it smells real. Big deal. It smells like leather. I like it. And it's got some of that oudy kind of nuance that sort of carries through the air. I'm not intimidated by this at all. I think I could wear this. I'm not sure I would wear it in the hottest of weather and in front of a bunch of people and stuff sort of on purpose, but I don't see any reason why you wouldn't wear this or layer with it, you know. Yeah, I think it's cool. Check it out. Got this obviously from the Canadian site, and not a bad price at that. Check it out. I'll try it with other things a little bit in the future. Oh, I just got a hint of the kind of oud that goes into some of the Tom Ford ones. Yeah, I'll wear it some more and maybe talk about it. Or blend it into some other stuff and see how that goes. Or layer it, something. Okay, cheers.